Hello and welcome to Section 7, Building and Optimizing the Virtual Desktop Operating System. In this section, we're going to focus our attention on the virtual desktop machines and how to build and configure them for use with Horizon View. So what are we going to learn in this section? In this section, we're going to create the operating system images that will be used to create the virtual desktop machines from. We will start by walking through the build process before going on to create a Windows 7 image, which we will then optimize for running as a View virtual desktop. Once the image has been optimized, then we will prepare it for use as a Horizon View virtual desktop image from which to create and deploy desktops from. Then we will do exactly the same for Windows 10, starting by creating the Windows 10 virtual desktop and then again optimizing it for VDI. To finalize the Windows 10 build, we will prepare the image for use as a Horizon View virtual desktop image from which to create and deploy virtual desktops from. Next, we're going to create a couple of more specialized desktops, and first create a Windows 7 image that will make use of NVIDIA GPU hardware that's in the host server, and then finish off by building a Linux-based virtual desktop machine. So let's move on to the first video of this section and walk you through the build process that we're going to follow to enable us to build the virtual desktop machine images. In this video, we're going to take a look at the process of how to build an operating system image that can be used as a gold or parent image for creating the virtual desktops within the environment. Let's have a look at the build process that we're going to follow in a little bit more detail. We will start by creating a new virtual machine in vCenter and choosing the option for Windows 7 or Windows 10, depending on which machine we're going to be building. During this process, we're going to configure the virtual hardware options and also make some configuration changes to the virtual machine BIOS. Next, we're going to install the Windows desktop operating system, either Windows 10 or Windows 7. Once the desktop operating system has been installed, the next step is to install VMware tools, as you would do for any other virtual desktop machine or other virtual type machine. Next, we're going to optimize the image for VDI. Now that we've an optimized operating system, you can now install any applications that are going to be used as part of the base image. These would be applications that all users will be entitled to, so something like a PDF reader, for example. The final component to install is the Horizon agent, which allows the virtual desktop machine to communicate with the connection server. Now you've completed the virtual desktop machine and it's been optimized and had applications installed, you can now prepare it for delivery to the end users. At this stage, we are either going to take a snapshot, used for linked clones, instant clones, or we're going to create a template of the virtual desktop machine for full clones. The desktop is now ready for delivery to the end users. So now we can go ahead and start to build our virtual desktop machines.